Need to convert Word documents to JPG without uploading them? Word documents may contain contracts, reports, invoices, customer information, or other sensitive data. Uploading them to the cloud may not be the best option. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing takes place locally on your computer. Your Word documents never leave your device. We have about 60 Word documents that need to be converted. Let's see how to batch convert Word documents to JPG images. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, select Word Tools, Word to JPG. Add multiple Word documents or import a folder containing them. Select the Word documents you want to convert, then click Next. Configure the conversion settings as needed in Step 2, such as the page range, image quality, and output options, then click Next. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the conversion. The files will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to copy the log for later review. Open a few sample JPG files to verify that the Word documents were converted successfully. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.